several cells, several rows, and several columns. Now again, this is a row, this is a column. Try to remember that. And in between them are the cells. Now, say for example you want to represent tabular data. For example, we are going to say we're going to make a little text chart for sales, and here we will have the sales amount. So put 100,000 here, and maybe 75,000 here. Tab will go to the next cell, down will go down, which is what I meant to do. Then 50,000 and 25,000. And then up here we've got first quarter. Well, we should use numbers. We're not going to fit all that in there. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Alright, now as you can see, tables are meant to display tabular data to begin with. They're not actually made to do layouts, which is a big thing with web development. But anyway, alright, so here this would be one of our headings, and this could also be considered a heading. For example, first quarter sales, we could say, we could use a little color chart. Where's our table formatting thing? We'll make the background of this, we'll use blue to say first quarter sales were 25,000. Second quarter sales were 75,000. Third quarter sales were Third quarter sales were 50,000, and fourth quarter 100,000. Now what you want to do sometimes to make things stand out is apply a style to your heading. Oh, I meant to. Okay, one more option we're going to throw in right here, because I already skipped over the example I meant to do first. Right here you'll see insert row, insert column, delete row, delete column. If you insert a row, it puts one in underneath the one you're currently in. And if you insert two rows, it continues to do that. If you select delete row, it deletes a row. It deletes the row you're currently focused in. And for purposes of one of the examples I'm getting ready to show you, we will highlight these three fields, paste that, move that down. Alright. You also have the option to merge. And for example, we need to create a new column. We're going to insert column. It'll insert the column after the column we're in. So let's move these figures over one column. And when you highlight multiple cells and copy or cut the data from them and highlight the same number of cells, it'll paste them exactly the way it retrieved them. But I believe if you are offset, yeah, it just truncates it. It cuts off whatever doesn't fit. Alright, so now we have a chart that we can actually add headers to. For example, this, we can tell it to merge these cells by going to merge cells. And here we can say sales. And then here we can merge these cells and tell it to say per quarter. If I could spell, we'd probably get somewhere faster. You can also, just to make it look nicer, add a new thingy, a new row below that, and a new column beside that, and merge these and eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Evidently you can't do it that way. Didn't think so. Alright, so anyway, go ahead and merge these again. And we could actually just get rid of this cell. You can actually delete individual cells, if I could remember how. Alright, here we're going to split this cell so that we can delete it or we can merge it in a different way. And the way that we're going to split it, we're going to split it into two horizontally. So what it'll do is it'll put a line right here. Now if we turn it to split into two vertically, I'm not sure where the hell it put the line. I'm not sure if it put it here or here. But select OK. Alright. And this cell we're going to have to split up after we merge these. And where is the option up here? Auto format, table properties. Ah, there is no option to merge, or wait a minute. Yeah, I don't see the option to split cells up here. So right clicking is about the only way I see to do it. Cell, split, two horizontally. Alright, now we can merge these two and merge these two and have a layout we can control a little easier. And then we'll take this one and we will take the border and remove the border from the top. That's at the top. Actually, and we already got a left and right border. Let's just do the bottom border only. Alright. And we'll merge these two cells and put a border on the right of this cell. And it's not quite what I wanted, but it's better than nothing. Alright, we'll tell this one it has no borders, and highlight these and tell them they have borders on all four sides, and it looks just like a blank white space. We can also take and grab this bar, the vertical bar, and bring it over to here, so the space around here looks pretty much the same. And then try to even this space here. And so what you've got, even though you still see the gray bars that actually show you where the cells actually lie that separate everything. I wonder why that did that. Huh. Anyway, you hit print preview, and as you can see, it looks a little bit better that way. You got some space between all that. Anyway, that's just a way to mess around with tables and documents. Now remember, tables are meant to display tabular data. It's not actually meant to lay out your formatting. It's actually meant to represent data. So that pretty much covers everything that the new user would probably need to know about working with Word documents. And I think that I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Again, you can find this video and more videos like this on, well, where the hell is it? Yep, that's my audio. Where did I put it? There it is. linuxintro.com. And that concludes this video, unless I forgot something, and in which case I really don't care, because this concludes this video.